We are in Dublin right now and we're finally going to Penney's because Primark is actually called Penney's over here in Ireland, and that's where Primark originated from. So I think it's really important that we get to go there. I'm so excited. None of this. I'm not lying. Oh, it's like, look. Sweet. Little back fizzies. These nails. They're so cute. Primark has the best stuff, or Pennies. Look at that. Little contact mirror. Yeah, like that for these. I don't even know what this is. Oh, cute, it's a manicure kit. It's just wine brushes, so bad. This is super cute. I wonder if it comes with a glue. No, it doesn't come with glue. I can't remember what this is. And this is the Kylie Jenner dupe. We'll try that out. So what Cruella de Vil ones. They're amazing. No, yeah, okay, no. Okay. Even like perfumes and stuff. Nail files and everything. There's all hairbrushes too. Look at that one. Got all the Disney face masks. I've been seeing them for so long on everyone's Instagrams. I'm like, I want to try one really bad, so I'm finally going to try one. So Aurora's my favourite princess, so I'm definitely going to get her. Oh, but actually that one sounds like better for my skin. This one is like cucumber. I'm actually going to put that and get her a different day. And green tea. They're really, really good for your skin. They've got a cute Harry Potter tea. This is cute. See? Oh my god, this is everything. Sorry, I have to do this. I'm actually obsessed with everything Chibi Harry Potter. This is the most amazing t-shirt to go with my Gryffindor.
It's pretty good.
It is. I just want one. And guess how much it is? €6. What is that in, like, it's €6. I don't even know what that is in pounds or dollars.
$10.
Yeah. These shirts cost like $30 in Canada, so this is why I come home. There could be so many things amongst all this. Look at that Harry top. Some Gryffindor stuff. I don't really want any more Gryffindor stuff right now. And fine, oh yeah. Everyone's been posting these. They have them in a store in Canada and they're like $60. And they're only, I want to see how much. They're €18 here, so do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, seriously? I was just saying, I feel them. They're like the comfiest leggings. I should have bought that. I can't try everything. Yeah. It's just Harry Chibi again. Oh my god. Everything Chibi. I really want these. Kind of like torn. don't know, like something about the material. These ones are 10 Mickey trainers. I'm not gonna go fumbling around with these ones, but lots of Mickey's 90th anniversary merch. This is cute. I can't tell if it's for girls or guys. I don't know kind of with that. Check out this Gryffindor hat. This beanie is so cute. And then these mini, there's a mini one and a Mickey one. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I can't deal with the fact that we have so much. Oh, these are cute. Look at these socks. That one's missing one. These socks are so cute. One for every house. What? Okay, well, what? $3.50? Okay, we're going on. Let's go. What is that? I don't understand. Oh my god. I've already got these. I ordered those. What is it? Ravenclaw. Hufflepuff ones. These are some of the newer ones. But mainly, yeah. And I've got scrunchies already from the houses. Let's go see. This is all. Look at this bag. Like this would, if I was still in school, I would definitely like rock this bag for sure. Right now, I don't need a backpack, so I'm not gonna get it. But it's really, really cute. Like, look at the hat. Like, look at Hogwarts on it. And a little head wig and the snitch. It's so cute. Oh my god. I just can't handle this place. This is too much. Okay, there's the Gryffindor ones now. Is that all Gryffindor? I think this is like the Gryffindor shelf. Yeah, Team Gryffindor.
Yung hulugan.
There's some really, really cute Mickey stuff. Oh, this is cute. It's actually, yeah, it's really sweet. I love that. It's probably not the best ones, but like fluff on it. But guess how much it is? Let's have a look. €5. Decent. I've got loads of these kind of ones from Primark, so I want to get something different this one. So these are on sale for how? They're on sale right there, it doesn't even say. Wow, that's amazing.
I always think it's cheaper.
These are $3 US, and I have like none right now. These are nice. Oh, look at them. They have just the cutest things. I'm just gonna get like one pair because I have no slippers. And I didn't see any Harry Potter ones, so if we see any, then they get replaced. So I didn't think I was going to find anything else because I was like, oh, there's not much time, but we just found a whole wall of socks, and so straight up there's all these Disney ones. It's Harry Potter chibi again. Like, I can't handle this business. And then they've got Pasheen, not only that, but then they've got Pasheen Halloween Pasheen. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited for the Pasheen box. They've got some red and, oh my god, and Gudetama. But yeah, like, I need to decide which ones I want the most. Oh my god. They have the mini heels I've been dying to get for so long. Oh my gosh. I just hope they have my size. So now I need to find them. So adorable. So they've got more Harry Potter stuff, and I've not seen any of this collection at all.
Didn't you want that one? Or
I just love everything Harry Potter, so like there's a velour kind of feeling. Personally, I'm not a fan of pajamas like that, but I like it like when it's like that. It's kind of cool. I wish they still had the honeydew stuff in, and I just can't find it anywhere. I'm in search of everything honeydew. Come check out these ones. So they also have these ones too. Team jerseys. This is the limited edition. They've got a Hagrid cheery mug. I'm gonna need it. Need it. Why do they do this to me? Okay. These are like, I can't pack this. I don't know what to do. Look at how beautiful this is. It must be amazing on a Christmas tree. It won't. There's no way it would. Like, how could I pack that? They have. Is this Slytherin? Oh, it's cold. I've got a fan on the outside. I need to stop. This is brutal. This is so brutal. This is cute. Interesting. I don't think I'm going to buy anything. I'm crying about the baubles. I really want one. And I also really want the blanket. There's another blanket that I think I prefer. Of the Slytherin. No. This chibi Hedwig for €9. Christmas decorations. They're the most adorable ones I've ever seen. Ornaments as well. Salt and pepper shakers. I'm sighing because I know I can't bring them back. It sucks. Like, baubles are not practical to pack. I really wanted this actually. It's on thingy for a lot. This is so cute. They've got some really cute friends merch right now. Look at that. And this is the cutest little candle. It actually does smell of caramel cappuccino. Smell good. Yes, look at that mug. So now you can't get these things because life is hidden. Look. All the cute things, like they don't know that we know that they know. We know they know. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Oh, Hugsy. There's so many great moments on that. So more cute decorations. Oh my gosh, it's just batteries included. Look at these little marquee lights. These things are like $70 at Target, like 60, 70. It's really upsetting. But it's for like a little bit of a bigger one, but you know, even still, if you doubled that in size. Like...
Attention please customers, the time is now 6:50 and the store will be closing in 10 minutes.
Sheen throw. Like, I'm just crying. All the pictures and stuff. I'm leaving now.